Hi, this is Piali welcoming you to my channel Travel Canvas. Today is day 3 in my Meghalaya tour, and today I have decided to go slow because yesterday the trek to double-decker bridge was काफ़ी hectic, so I decided to do some local sightseeing today. So I am here right now in St. Mary's Cathedral Church. This is the famous church and the biggest church of Shillong. This is really beautiful. This morning prayer is going on and the location and the area is really calm and peaceful. You just need to come here and sit along. This is really beautiful.
This historical monument of peace and divinity is almost 50 years old. This beautiful church is constructed in the Gothic architectural style and is a spectacular sight in the midst of sprawling green lawns. This church is also known as the Cathedral of Mary Help of Christians. The most unique feature of this church is the fact that it is built on sand, not on rock. As the region is prone to earthquakes, this ensures that any earthquake-related shock is absorbed by the sand, thereby securing the church from any major damage.
The weather is really cool over here, you know, amazingly comfortable actually. No humidity, nothing. Such a sunny, bright weather. I'm already in love with Shillong.
Situated on top of an emerald-colored hill, the tall arch of the church and its stained glass installation will mesmerize any tourist visiting Shillong. Near the altar of the church is the grave of the first Archbishop of the city. Apart from all this, the church also has several pieces of artwork depicting various scenes and chapters from Holy Scriptures.
This is something we should always do to thank God. Yes, I'm really thankful to God to giving me this kind of opportunity to travel solo in these pandemic situations and everything. Photography inside the church is prohibited, so I can't shoot there, but I have enough footage to show you guys. Thank you.
Located in the Laimokra locality in Shillong, only 10 to 15 minutes from Police Bazaar.
Hi, I'm right now in front of Watch Lake, and you have to be fully vaccinated and you have to show your certificate to enter the park. Let's go. Hi, I'm fully vaccinated. Your name? Yeah, Piali. Address? Kolkata. Please subscribe. Travel Canvas. YouTube, no? Yes. Travel Canvas. Thank you. From where are you? Kolkata. Wow, this is lovely. Hi, the entry fee is like 20 rupees per person. That's fine, but camera charges was quite expensive in Shillong. They first asked me to pay 200. Then I checked the board over here. 100 rupees per unit it was mentioned. So I asked that lady that videography is mentioned 100. So you have to be careful over here. all the sightseeing places are charging extra, and there's a huge money cost for camera, you know. But this location is really beautiful, worth visiting.
Worth Lakes is amongst the popular tourist attractions of Shillong, which is a must visit. It is also known as Pollock's Lake because of a popular engineer during the pre-independence era. It is said to be around 100 years old. The establishment of this lake was planned by the then Chief Commissioner of Assam, Sir William Ward. Construction was done by Colonel Hopkins in the year of 1894.
This place is famous for joggers. Joggers entry is till 9 o'clock, and it's really cool ambience to jog. You know, I used to walk in the evening in Kolkata like 5 kilometers a day, which helped me yesterday. Believe me, the trek was really hectic.
With its charming wooden bridge and grassy slopes providing a serene lakeside resting place, Worth Lake is one of the most enduring attractions in Shillong town now. A stone path encircles the small lake, and other highlights here include the immaculately maintained flower gardens along with the lofty trees that provide shades to visitors. Your Meghalaya waterfall exploration is not complete without a visit to Elephant Falls. Located on the outskirts of the state capital Shillong, now I reached the checkpost.
I am now in front of Elephant Caves, the entrance. The ticket is 100 per person. Extra for the cameras, and they are checking your double vaccination certificate. Yeah, thank you. Hi. Hello.
At the entrance to Elephanta Falls, there is a collection of stalls selling snacks and souvenirs. The Khasi name for Elephant Falls is Khasai Lai Petang, which roughly refers to the three levels over which the water plunges. The name is rather misleading today. The elephant-shaped rock after which it was named by the British was destroyed in an earthquake more than 100 years ago. The waterfall is the result of a mountain stream that drops over multiple levels. Through the forested slope, the railed walkways begin at the head of the falls and continue to the bottom. ensuring that you not only see the magnificence of the falls from a close distance but also feel the spray of the cool water and the thunderous sound of the flow.
This is the second falls, and you can feel the sound of all the way down. It is the third one.
The pool at the bottom of the falls is a tranquil spot where you can wade into the clear water at knee level and get a nice picture with the giant cascades in the background.
Hey, I'm just in front of this third falls of this Elephanta Falls, and this is really good. Due to this monsoon season, the water is काफी high, you know.
Shillong's Matilang Amusement Park adds bright spot in Meghalaya's tourism. The enchanting scenic green beauty in the state of Meghalaya has always attracted a lot of tourists towards the state. One such tourist destination that has been successful in attracting tourists from all over is the Matilang Amusement Park located in Upper Shillong. This amusement park, which lies at the center of the city, is surrounded by large green landscapes and mountains. The park also offers an enchanting view of Elephant Falls. National and foreign tourists visit the place in large numbers to admire and view the beauty of the site.
Hi, I am right now in Matilang Amusement Park. It is newly opened, and you can get a very beautiful view of Elephanta Falls. The entry fee is ₹70 and extra 50 rupees for camera, and parking charges are extra.
The premises and the greenery of the amusement park are well maintained by the locals. Littering of plastic is strictly prohibited in the park. The waterfalls at the center of the park add an unique touch to the beauty of the place. The strange thing about the sunset is that we actually don't want the sun to set. We want it to stay right on the horizon, not below it, not above it, just right on it. Never turn your back to the sunset, because you owe the sun a thanking for lightening you all the day. And this is the goodbye for me. Hope you like this video. Please do like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Till then, thank you for watching. Tada!